Welcome back to our channel, where nature's fiercest creatures face off in epic showdowns. Today, we're diving deep into the jungles for a thrilling encounter between two of the most intriguing yet dangerous predators, the vibrant but lethal poison dart frog and the stealthy, venomous tarantula, who will outwit, outlast, and dominate in this battle of survival. Stick around to find out, and be prepared for some jaw-dropping moments. Poison dart frogs and tarantulas are two creatures that often evoke fear and fascination. Both are known for their striking appearance and, in the case of the frog, their potent venom. While they may seem like unlikely allies, they often share similar habitats and ecological roles. Poison dart frogs, native to Central and South America, are renowned for their vibrant colors and toxicity. Their skin secretes a powerful poison that can be lethal to predators. This adaptation serves as a warning to potential threats. Tarantulas, on the other hand, are large, hairy spiders found in various parts of the world. While many species are harmless to humans, some can deliver painful bites. Ancient origins. The use of poison dart frogs by indigenous tribes in South America dates back millennia. Their toxins were primarily used for hunting and warfare. Scientific discovery. European explorers first encountered these amphibians in the 16th century, but their toxic properties were not fully understood until the 19th century. Modern research. In the 20th century, scientists began to study the chemistry of frog toxins, leading to significant advances in medicine and pharmacology. Ancient fears. Tarantulas have been feared and misunderstood since ancient times. Their large size and venomous nature have often associated them with mythical creatures and dark magic. Scientific classification. In the 18th century, Carl Linnaeus classified tarantulas as a distinct genus. Pet trade popularity. In recent decades, tarantulas have gained popularity as exotic pets, leading to increased interest in their biology and behavior. Both poison dart frogs and tarantulas have played significant roles in human history, inspiring fear, awe, and scientific curiosity. Their unique adaptations and ecological importance continue to fascinate researchers and enthusiasts alike. If we talk about habitat of the poison dart frog, they're mostly found in tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Their size, typically less than 2 inches long. Their coloration, vibrant and often warning colors, such as red, yellow, or blue. Their diet, small insects, flies, and mites. And the unique feature, their skin secretes potent toxins that can be deadly if ingested. Indigenous tribes have used these toxins to poison the tips of their blow darts. On the other hand, tarantulas' habitat, a variety of habitats, including deserts, rainforests, and grasslands. Their size can range from a few inches to over 10 inches in leg span. Their coloration varies widely, from brown and black to bright blue and pink. Their diet, insects, small vertebrates, and even birds. Despite their fearsome appearance, most tarantulas are relatively harmless to humans. Their primary defense is to release urticating hairs that can cause irritation. Poison dart frogs are native to tropical rainforests of Central and South America. These vibrant amphibians thrive in moist, humid environments with abundant vegetation. They often inhabit leaf litter, bromeliads, and other plants, where they can find shelter, food, and breeding sites. The dense foliage and constant rainfall of these rainforests provide the ideal conditions for their survival. Tarantulas are found in a variety of habitats worldwide, including deserts, grasslands, forests, and even burrows. While they are often associated with arid environments, they can also thrive in more humid conditions. Some species prefer underground burrows, while others build webs in trees or on the ground. Tarantulas are adaptable creatures that can be found in diverse ecosystems, as long as there is sufficient food and shelter available. Poison dart frogs are carnivores. These amphibians are exclusively meat eaters. Their primary diet consists of small insects, such as flies, ants, termites, and beetles. Interestingly, their bright, vibrant colors often serve as a warning to predators about their toxicity. The toxins they produce are derived from the insects they consume. Tarantulas are also meat eaters. Their diet primarily includes insects, such as crickets, grasshoppers, and flies. They may also prey on other arthropods, like spiders and scorpions. Tarantulas are ambush predators, meaning they lie in wait for their prey to come close before striking. Both poison dart frogs and tarantulas play essential roles in their ecosystems as predators, helping to control populations of insects and other arthropods. Poison dart frogs are renowned for their vibrant colors, often signaling their toxicity. This is a form of aposematism, a warning coloration that deters predators. Their skin secretes potent toxins, such as batrachotoxins, which can be fatal even in small amounts. These toxins are often derived from their diet, primarily ants and mites. Tarantulas, while often feared, have a relatively passive nature. Their primary defense mechanisms include: tarantulas can release urticating hairs from their abdomens. These hairs are barbed and can cause irritation or allergic reactions in predators. When threatened, tarantulas often assume a defensive posture, raising their forelegs and displaying their fangs. This is a form of bluffing, meant to intimidate potential predators. Some tarantulas blend in with their surroundings, using camouflage to avoid detection. While both poison dart frogs and tarantulas have effective defense mechanisms, it's important to remember that they are not aggressive animals and will only use their defenses when threatened. Despite their small size, poison dart frogs are formidable predators. Their hunting strategy primarily revolves around their potent toxin. These frogs secrete a toxic substance through their skin. When a potential prey, such as insects or other small amphibians, comes into contact with the frog's skin, it becomes poisoned. Poison dart frogs are often found in humid, tropical environments. They use their bright, vibrant colors as a warning signal to potential predators. However, these colors also serve as a lure for unsuspecting prey. The frogs will often perch on leaves or branches, camouflaged by their surroundings, waiting for insects to come near. When a suitable target is within reach, the frog will strike with lightning speed, using its toxic touch to immobilize its prey. Tarantulas, despite their intimidating appearance, are relatively slow-moving creatures. Their hunting strategy relies more on stealth and patience than on speed. Many tarantula species build intricate webs. These webs serve as both a home and a hunting tool. The tarantula will sit at the center of its web, waiting for unsuspecting insects to become entangled. When a prey item is caught, the tarantula will quickly inject it with venom and then devour it. Some tarantula species are more active hunters. They will roam their burrows or surrounding areas in search of prey. When they encounter a potential meal, they will use their powerful front legs to grab and subdue it. Poison dart frogs and tarantulas are both known for their potentially harmful nature, but they use different methods to inflict harm. These amphibians secrete toxins through their skin. These toxins can be highly poisonous and are often used to coat darts or arrows for hunting. The toxicity of their skin can vary depending on the species and their diet. Tarantulas, on the other hand, use venom. They inject venom into their prey through their fangs. While tarantula venom can be painful and even dangerous to some individuals, it's generally not as potent as the toxins of poison dart frogs. In essence, the key difference lies in the method of delivery. Poison dart frogs secrete toxins externally, while tarantulas inject venom internally. While they may seem like unlikely allies, these two arachnids and amphibians have formed a symbiotic relationship that benefits both. The poison dart frog, known for its vibrant colors and deadly skin secretions, often resides in burrows and tree holes. These habitats are also prime real estate for tarantulas, which spin intricate webs to capture prey. By sharing these living spaces, the two creatures have developed a mutualistic arrangement. Tarantulas, with their powerful fangs and venomous bites, are formidable predators. Their presence helps to deter potential threats to the poison dart frog, such as snakes and birds. In return, the poison dart frog's toxic secretions provide an added layer of protection for the tarantula, making it even less appealing to predators. This unusual partnership is a testament to the intricate and often surprising ways that different species can coexist in the natural world. While the poison dart frog and tarantula may seem like unlikely companions, their symbiotic relationship is a reminder that even the most fearsome creatures can find a way to benefit from each other. Despite their small size, poison dart frogs play a significant role in their rainforest habitats. Their toxicity, a defense mechanism against predators, serves as a warning signal. This bright coloration, often in vibrant hues like blue, red, or yellow, is an example of aposematism. These frogs are crucial for maintaining the balance of insect populations within their ecosystems. They feed primarily on ants, termites, and other small invertebrates. By controlling these populations, they help to prevent outbreaks that could disrupt the overall ecosystem. Tarantulas, often seen as fearsome creatures, also play important ecological roles. As apex predators in their habitats, they help to regulate populations of insects and other invertebrates. Their diets can include crickets, grasshoppers, beetles, and even small vertebrates. Beyond their predatory role, tarantulas contribute to nutrient cycling. When they die, their bodies decompose, releasing nutrients back into the soil. These nutrients can then be absorbed by plants, supporting the growth of vegetation in their ecosystems. Additionally, some tarantulas burrow, creating tunnels that can aerate the soil and provide habitats for other organisms. Myth: all poison dart frogs are deadly. Fact: while many species have toxic secretions, only a few have enough potency to be lethal to humans. Most species are harmless to humans when handled with care. Myth: poison dart frogs produce their toxin. Fact: the toxin is derived from their diet, primarily ants and mites. Myth: poison dart frogs are aggressive and dangerous. Fact: these frogs are typically docile and prefer to avoid confrontation. They are only dangerous if provoked or are handled carelessly. Myth: tarantulas are aggressive and will attack on sight. Fact: most tarantulas are shy and defensive. They will only bite if they feel threatened or provoked. Myth: tarantula bites are deadly. Fact: while tarantula bites can be painful, they are rarely fatal to humans. The venom is typically compared to a bee or wasp sting. Myth: tarantulas can cause hair loss. Fact: this is a common misconception. Tarantulas do not shed hairs that can cause hair loss. Myth: tarantulas can drink through their feet. Fact: while tarantulas can absorb moisture through their feet, they cannot drink through them. They primarily drink water droplets or from their food. Despite their striking appearance and potent toxins, many poison dart frog species are facing significant threats to their survival. Their small, colorful bodies and specialized habitats make them vulnerable to habitat loss, pollution, and the illegal pet trade. As a result, many poison dart frog species are listed as endangered or critically endangered on the IUCN Red List. Tarantulas, while often feared, play important roles in their ecosystems as predators and scavengers. While their large size and intimidating appearance may deter some threats, they are still vulnerable to habitat loss, pollution, and the pet trade. However, compared to poison dart frogs, many tarantula species are considered to be less threatened and are more likely to be classified as least concern or near threatened on the IUCN Red List. Poison dart frogs and tarantulas are two fascinating creatures known for their unique characteristics. While they both inhabit tropical rainforests, their lifestyles and defenses differ significantly. Poison dart frogs are small, brightly colored amphibians that produce toxins in their skin. These toxins, often derived from their diet, serve as a deterrent to predators. Their vibrant colors act as a warning signal, alerting potential attackers to their toxicity. Tarantulas are large arachnids with hairy bodies and venomous fangs. Their primary defense mechanism is their venomous bite, which they use to subdue prey and ward off threats. While tarantulas can be intimidating, their bites are generally not fatal to humans. Despite their contrasting appearances and behaviors, both poison dart frogs and tarantulas play important roles in their ecosystems. Their unique adaptations have enabled them to thrive in the challenging environments of tropical rainforests. That was a wild ride in the world of the jungle. It's survival of the fittest, and today's showdown proved just that. Let us know in the comments which creature you think reigns supreme. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the battle, and subscribe for more electrifying wildlife encounters. See you in the next face-off.